So in this video, I'm going to discuss using the law of assumption and also affirmations to help you get a good night's sleep. So the law of assumption basically, in a brief way, basically what you see in your imagination comes into reality. And this can help you with your sleep, with your health goals, etc. For instance, if you say, I'm healthy, you're making a claim, a divine claim that you're healthy, even though you may not be healthy at this point in time. If you hold on to that claim and if you see it as true, when you close your eyes and you visualize yourself through your own eyes, not as a third person, but through your own eyes, as being healthy, as having a good, nice body, as having no pain, etc., is reality. The body doesn't know the difference between the imagined reality and the so-called physical reality. So when you close your eyes just before you go to bed, you can say to yourself, I've slept well, okay? I had a good night's sleep. How would you see the world if you slept well? Hold on to that feeling. Hold on to that assumption, okay? If you do so and you hold on to that, you will see it will transpire in the real world. You will have a good night's sleep. Second is use affirmations. If your mind is too active, hold on to the mantra, I am. I am is a divine claim. You are saying, you are calling God basically that you are the part of God. So divinity, I am healthy, I am. So hold on to this I am and forget everything else, and the overactive mind will calm down. Okay, that's one step. Step number 2, make the claim of what you want. Okay, I had a good night's sleep. I sleep well. I sleep well and then deep. Say that to yourself over and over again. It becomes a reality. So the way you speak to yourself and the way you visualize yourself when you close your eyes is how it will transfer into reality. And those two things can help you get a good night's sleep. Okay, I advise you try it. Give it some time. Do it just before you go to bed. It will put you to sleep, and your sleep will start to get better and better.